All right, phase change. Critical juncture number 11. We have a diagram with an underground substance and the phase change. Before the phase change, it was a gas. So let's read the question and look at all four answers to figure out what is our best answer. An earth scientist brought an unknown substance from underground back to her lab. The substance was in the gas phase and was put into a sealed tank, as shown above. She slowed down the molecules inside the tank, and the substance changed phase. How did she do this, and how did it affect the molecules? Okay, so she transferred energy. So it wants to know which direction we're transferring energy and what the molecules actually look like at the molecular level. So let's see. Okay, so we are moving from a gas, right? If she's slowing down the molecules, what is going to happen? So let's look at all our answers. So A, she transferred energy into the substance and the molecules moved around each other. Okay, so if you are slowing down the molecules, you are not transferring energy into a substance. You're transferring energy out. So A is not the correct answer. Okay, looking at B, she transferred energy into the substance and the molecules moved away from each other. Okay, so this one in both instances is wrong because if you are slowing down the molecules, you are not transferring energy into the substance, you are transferring energy out. And when the substance is in a gas phase, that is when the molecules are moving away from each other. We are moving from a gas into a liquid phase, so that means they would be moving around each other. So B is also incorrect. All right, let's look at C. She transferred energy out of the substance and the molecules moved around each other. Okay, so again, thinking about this, we're going to get from gas and it's changing phase because we're removing energy or we're making the molecules slower. So that means you are transferring energy out of the substance. That part is correct. And in the gas phase, the molecules move away from each other, where in the liquid phase, they move around each other. So to me, C sounds like it would be correct. But let's make sure that we are looking at D to make sure that we have looked at all of our answers and we found the most correct one. Okay, so D says out of the substance. She transferred energy out of the substance. Okay, I agree with that. And the molecules moved in place. Okay, in what phase do the molecules move in place? Well, as a solid, right? So that one is not correct because we are changing phase from a gas to a liquid. Okay, so our correct answer for number 11 is C. She transferred energy out of the substance and the molecules moved around each other.